Hey y'all, this is Max with McLean's RV here in Dallas, Texas, and today we're looking at the Grand Design 2920 BS Imagine floor plan. It's about 34.5 feet in overall length, and it packs a ton of space. We have massive compartment doors on the forward side of the coach, unobstructed pass-through. We have the solid entry steps here that fold in. We have an exterior spray port as well as power and a coax connection for a perfect outdoor TV situation. We have a sweet 3-burner griddle that goes into the side of the travel trailer, so you don't have to set up a griddle. Of course, we have ABS axles with the Goodyear Endurance tires. You can travel with confidence. And we have 2 doors for entrance, so that makes it very spacious overall. And guess what? This whole side of the RV is covered by this massive electric awning with a nice LED light strip under it. Let's start going inside the RV. Now, as we enter, we have just a spacious kitchen. Some say very, very well done layout. We have a massive U-shaped dinette that makes into a sofa bed, perfect for sleeping some additional adults. We also have very large pantry right next door to the dinette. Store all your belongings in there. Right behind the pantry, we have the optional theater seats. They are heated and massaging. And behind the theater seats, we have some beautiful windows. And across, we have windows. We have them open right now, and the AC is not turned on this Imagine. And we're getting a really good cross breeze, which is fantastic to have windows across from each other to get a good cross breeze. We also have the upgraded blinds, and you can see they do catch a little bit of wind, almost like a sail. So don't put them down when it's too windy outside. Of course, we're going to have the 12-volt fridge in this kitchen. So it's 12-volt fridge and freezer. It's already really cold on the inside. Got a little bit of frost in there, which is fantastic. It's going to keep those pizzas cold. And then we also have the 3-burner range with the oven option. A lot of people still like the gas ovens. And you do have the indicator when the gas is on. It will light up red when you have the lights turned on. So blue is good, red is on. Of course, this does have a range with a fan. It is 12 volt, so it's running right now. And we also have a microwave. Across from the range, I love this floor plan. You can totally get a bunch of meals ready together. Places for some additional pots, pans, cups, bowls. Perfect spot. Maybe put some really cool fine china in this cabinet. Just kidding, we don't take fine china when we're camping. Well, some of us do. But you have some additional storage up top. And you have the 1-piece stainless steel sink. Farmhouse style. Super deep. Really nice to wash your dishes. And it does come with the drying rack. We do have the portable phone charger right next door. Throw your phone up there and it will charge it when it's plugged into power. And below we have some very nice storage, as well as a towel rack right here. So utensil storage. And then below we have some additional storage for pots and pans. So tons of kitchen space in this, tons of cabinets, super big pantry. Keep in mind, this is like an ultimate Imagine bunkhouse floor plan. We have the massive bunkhouse up front, and we have the massive suite in the back for the parents. Let's look at the suite first. We're gonna have the pass-through bathroom, super big shower. It's got the Nautilus shower curtain, which is really nice. That way you can, once it's closed, you can throw yourself into it, and you're not gonna get nearly as much water outside of the shower as you would with the shower curtain. We also have a skylight in the shower, so reference, I'm about 6 foot, and this shower would work perfect for me. We have, of course, a soap rack right here. It's, plastic, so it's easy to clean, and we got the rack going. We also have the porcelain Dometic toilet, which is going to be nice. You can sit on it and not feel like you're going to fall through the camper, especially when you're, a parent and a little bit on the more adult side. We of course have a medicine cabinet, additional storage, And it's all really nice cabinetry. That's the beautiful thing about Imagines. I know y'all know about Imagines. The cabinetry is just so premier. The bed on this, I love the rear bedroom. Padded headboard, spot for your phone on each side. Blinds that go down, of course, so you get your privacy when you're sleeping, if you need it. Above the bed, we have some additional storage. It's the same on both sides. And across from the bed, this is a multi-purposeful spot. You can put up a stool and make this a workstation and you have a nice window. Get on a couple Zoom calls, reply back to your boss because he's probably asking why you're out camping and not in the office. Or maybe you are the boss and you have to jump on a call. Hanging storage on both sides, which is fantastic. And then below, we have ball bearing pull-out. So pants, socks, linens, undergarments, everything like that can go and get stored nice and proper. So they're all the same size, all the same fitment. We have a door to the bedroom. Now keep in mind, when this slide comes in, we have a tremendous amount of storage. So if you're storing bulk items, when this slide is in, it can be a little bit on the harder side to get to. So just keep that in mind when you're traveling. You can still get to the bedroom and the bathroom from the door. When the bed is closed, you're just gonna have to kind of squeeze against the bed. You've got about maybe a foot, so shouldn't be a problem. Go up to the front here. This is, of course, what makes this floor plan so sweet is that you have a forward bunkhouse. And the forward bunkhouse is gonna have 2 twin-size beds. And of course, from the factory, they come with these teddy bear mattresses. There's so many different aftermarket companies that you could put some really nice mattresses up here. And you do have hanging storage inside of this option. Pull out for a drawer and then another pull out. So again, socks, linens, undergarments can go in the drawers, and you can throw up your shirts and blouses up in the hanging storage. This is a great bunkhouse because it's just not for kids. Adults could easily sleep here, as well as maybe 2 sets of families where a mom and dad might sleep in here and another set of parents might sleep in the other bedroom, and then the kids can take the dinette and or put up an air mattress and sleep on the floor. So 29 feet of internal box length. The Imagines have a couple of really cool things going for them. For one, we have a fully ducted AC system with 2 air conditioners, as well as a 180 watt solar panel going to a solar charge controller to top off that coach battery. So the super long warranties over all of the necessity items. Great installation values. 4-season package on this. When it's 100 degrees outside, it's going to hang out between 65 to 60 degrees. And when it's around 15 degrees outside, you can keep the coach between 65 and 75. Of course, wind chill and some other factors might cause that to change or alter. So definitely look at the weather channel before you go out and make your trip. But ideally, it is a 4-season RV with some of, if not the best installation values for a fiberglass sided RV. So y'all, we have the front cap Imagine lights. It's super pretty. This is all fiberglass, really durable. Get some rocks up in there, they're gonna get deflected. 2 propane tanks up front with the electric Lippert tongue jack. Pass-through storage with the new rubber floor mats. That way when you throw stuff inside it, it's not gonna scratch it up like the old laminate flooring. As you're entering the outside, you're gonna notice a huge 3-burner griddle. Fantastic. This comes down, this goes in, this locks, and now you even have some additional storage. That flips down, magnetic, and you can lock it. Hey y'all, so the back of this Imagine's gonna be, of course, fully laminated. We have a 2-inch trailer hitch receiver, which is phenomenal. On this 2-inch trailer receiver, we have a 300-pound weight capacity for a cargo rack. It is a 50-amp service RV, so the cord is on the back, and we do have some LED taillights. We also have a ladder on the roof, as well as a backup camera prep station. Under the master bed in the back, we have some additional storage with a light, which is really nice. All fantastic quality. Moving up a little bit, we have a black tank flush out, so you can flush your black tank. We've talked about those. They're phenomenal. This is equipped with it, as well as a light switch by your tank dump, which is just phenomenal. That way you don't trip over it at night. As you come up more, we have an additional gray tank dump area right above the tankless on-demand water heater. Nautilus control hookup area with instructions of winterization, of course. We have solar disconnect, battery disconnect, satellite park hookup, as well as your city water connection and your outdoor shower. Phenomenal area. We also have an LED light switch inside, and it is prepped for a tire pressure monitoring system. Down below, we do have the sewage hose holder, which is already installed. One less thing to worry about. Y'all, this was a phenomenal experience checking out the 2920. It's been a very hot day down here in Dallas, Texas. We're hoping for some cooler weather in the next coming days. Come on and check it out. It's on sale. Great value.